Metadata Utility License Management. On the main switchboard, click on Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on License Management Switchboard, followed by clicking on License Management. This will open up the main license management window. To register a new license on the installation in Metadata Utility for a particular PC, then select on Add New, followed by on the Edit List message to add or edit list, select Yes, which will set up the license management window in edit mode. Once in edit mode, to enter and register a license, simply double-click on one of the available empty drop-down fields to set that particular record in edit mode, which will be highlighted by having a light yellow background on those available fields that are available for edit, and select Stage 1, followed by clicking on a License Manager. This will open up a separate window, a License Manager window that will enable users to activate a particular license. The default action that will always be selected when License Manager is opened is to activate a license. Then proceed to copy and paste the license key that was received in the confirmation email along with the confirmation of purchase of the license, followed by entering the email address to which the license key confirmation email was received. We will notice that on the following below field of activated devices by hardware ID, we will see that a value of your hardware ID is listed, which will show the user the actual hardware ID that is about to be registered for the particular license. And the box below that in this particular example is empty will show the user also if there are other installed licenses or other registered PCs will be shown in that box below. And that would particularly apply for those licenses that are for family licenses, in which up to 5 different PCs can be registered under the same license. In that particular scenario, then the user would see those already registered Windows Media Center PCs listed. But for single licenses, it will normally be shown as we see here, completely empty. As for single licenses, there is only one single PC capable to be registered with that single license. Then proceed to click on the Activate button, from which Metadata Utility will, in short order, confirm the registration for that particular key, provided that the proper information, such as described before, license and email address, has been properly provided. and that license is properly valid, then the confirmation message will appear and the user will notice that the hardware ID will now be listed also in the box below, as we see in this example, as well as on the license management window. We will see then also the same exact license key listed, as well as on the active column we will see a check mark upon successful activation of that particular license, as well as followed on the following next column of the type of license. Again, we have licenses available for single registrations, for dual registrations of a maximum of 2 PCs, and we also have family registrations available for a maximum of 5 PCs. And lastly, a column of instances which will show the user how many times can that registration license key be used. In this particular example, for a single license, it can be only registered one time, therefore it is being shown as instances 1 of 1. Once that has been completed, simply click on OK on the confirmation message, followed by clicking on Close on the license manager. And lastly, once that the license manager window has been closed, then we can proceed to click on the close button on the license management window, which will complete the registration of a license in Metadata Utility. For any questions regards of this topic, as well as to any of the other topics that we have available with regard of the functionalities built into Metadata Utility, we welcome for our users to either click on those videos that we have available, as well as to visit our website where we have detailed information, step-by-step instructions, as well as detailed FAQ, how-to, and troubleshooting sections that we welcome all of our users to visit at metadata utility.com for more details. We thank you for watching.